Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope y'all are doing great. And before we start the video guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you like my content. I will keep them coming on a consistent basis. So yeah, if you like it, make sure to be subscribed and also share the videos. I will really appreciate it. And make sure you also stick to the end of the video because like this you'll get the most out of my videos. And yeah guys, let me get straight into the video. I thought of doing a more beginner NFT related video because I got a lot of messages from you guys telling me, hey man, you're showing us all these strategies that you use to flip NFTs, to find good upcoming projects, but we don't really know how to buy NFTs in the first place or how to mint NFTs. And then I was like, okay, let me do a video to quickly explain this because it's actually really simple. So yeah, I will use NFT calendar because this is the place where I browse through upcoming NFT projects and then make my own research to see which project is worth investing in. So for today's video, we're going to use the Solana blockchain as our example, as our blockchain, because on the Solana blockchain, the NFTs are cheaper, the gas fees are cheaper, and I'm assuming that a lot of you guys don't really have thousands of dollars to spend on NFTs, on Opensea, on the Ethereum blockchain, and therefore I decided to go with the Solana blockchain for today's video example. So yeah, let me just browse through some upcoming projects and I'm just going to choose a random project. It's not going to be a project that I know something about, so just don't go ahead and buy into this project, okay? It's just going to be a random project and okay, let me choose this Farm Friends NFT project. You'll click on read more and here you will have access to the website, Twitter and Discord. I suggest make a very good research on these projects. Go on the Discord, check the community, check the team out, check the roadmap, the website, everything, the hype on the project. And then if everything's good, you decide to mint it. You'll check out the mint date, the mint price, and then when the mint day is there, you'll just have to go to the website. Let's say the mint is right now. Then on the website, you'll have to click connect wallet. You'll connect your Phantom wallet where you'll have your Solana. So let's say this project mints for 2 Sol. You'll have to have 2.1 Sol in your Phantom wallet to cover the gas fees as well. So that's really simple. You'll just click connect wallet here on your desktop. I would recommend doing it on your laptop or PC. You'll click connect wallet, it will connect your Phantom wallet. On the Phantom wallet, you can buy Solana straight with your credit card, or if you want, you can deposit some Sol on your Binance app, Coinbase, Crypto.com, and then from there you can transfer it to the Phantom wallet address. It's very simple. So after you click connect wallet, you'll click the mint button. You'll mint one of the 8,000 NFTs, let's say, and then you'll have that NFT in your Phantom wallet. Okay, after that, let's say you want to sell it, you'll go on Magiceden. I will use Magiceden as the example for today's video. This is the NFT marketplace that I will use as an example for today's video. Okay, so after you go on Magiceden, you'll want to select wallet. You'll want to connect your wallet to Magiceden as well. Okay, we're on Magiceden now. So you'll want to click here, select wallet. You'll then connect to your Phantom wallet really quick. After that, you'll click the sell button. You'll click your NFT. You'll click the price you want to list it for. And after that, you just click sell. Okay, it's that simple. And then someone maybe will buy it. And then if you want to buy an NFT on the secondary market, let's say you've missed the mint and now you want to buy it on the secondary. Me personally, I like to be there when the mint happens, because sometimes with really good projects that have big hype around it, after the mint the price just skyrockets and it will be really hard to find a good price on the secondary market. But let's say you want to buy an NFT on the secondary market. Let's just use this Meerkat Millionaires Country Club as an example. Again, you'll have your wallet connected to the Magiceden. You'll have your Phantom wallet connected, and you'll need to have 2 Sol in order to buy one of these NFTs. So after that, after you connect your wallet, you'll just click on one of these, you'll click buy, and then you'll have it straight into your Phantom wallet. And then if you want to sell it again, you can go on sell, you can click sell and sell this certain project. As we can see, we have a lot to choose from. There's a lot of projects on Magiceden and on all NFT marketplaces. So yeah, this is basically, it's a very easy um, it's very simple to do. It's a easy thing to do. You just want to go make your own research, and then when you decide to buy, you either buy it secondary market on Magiceden or Opensea if you decide to go for the Ethereum blockchain. But if you want to mint it, you'll just have to join their Discord, check the mint date, the mint price, the mint time, and then when the mint time is there, you'll just go to their website, connect your wallet, and then click mint, okay? It's that simple. After that, you'll have it in your Phantom wallet. You'll go to the NFT marketplace, you'll select your wallet, and you'll be able to sell the NFT. A quick tip, when you want to access their website, I would recommend going in their Discord. In the Discord chat, they will have a official link server, official link room, and that's where you want to access their website, okay? Because there's a lot of scams in Discord. They will send you fake websites and you don't want to get into that, okay? So that's also a quick tip. And yeah, guys, this was pretty much it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to leave me a like and also subscribe to my channel to not miss out on further uploads. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.